Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 2. This is the third video of the first chapter of the part 2, which is called the rectifications of errors. Previous two video, the first video I explain in details the theoretical part of this chapter, and second video I have done one illustration practical sums. Now let me do one questions from your exercise of page number 22. Page number 22, the question number 5. Like that, one questions you will get from your illustration same like that is illustration 2. To illustration 2, answer is given in your book, that you will go through from your book, and like that one question from exercise, that is page number 22 of question number 5. Here I am writing it here, page 22, question number 5. That I want to read. So everyone follow it. Which way I have done, the same way I will do, so that you can understand actually what is this. That is, every one of you know, this is SL number, this is original, wrong, and this. Okay? Which way I told that you follow. Read the question, try to understand the mistakes, write the mistakes. First you write the correct. If you have not done the mistakes, what is the correct, and then you find out the RE. Here page number 22, question number 5, journal entries it is given. Pass necessary rectification entries to rectify. Pass necessary rectification entries to rectify the following journal entries written by Ishwar Lal. So in the books of Ishwar Lal, you will write it there. Journal form it is given. Here you see in the journal generally three things are available. One second you follow. Each journal, three main things are available. One is the date, that you forget it. Apart from that, one account is debit and another account is credit. If there are two accounts, if more than two accounts, then number of debit and number of credits are more combined into. So one account is debit and another account is credit. That is first. Second is the narration, and third is the amount. That means here you will get the two account, here you will get the narration, and here you will get the two amount. The one external on students that he has written this all entries, and they are telling to you, you check it. If there is a wrong, then correct it. First you see the Krishna account debit to cash, and narration is given being the salary of the current month of rupees 7,000 paid to Krishna, and amount is 7,000 is written. Now the question is coming on the basis of whom you will correct which one. Account 1 debit and the credit and narration. Here you will see on the basis of narrations you have to check the accounts. Narration is here narration is correct, accounts may be wrong. One second you follow. First what we will do, we will think that every narration is correct. On the basis of narrations we will correct the account. Not on the basis of account we will change the narration. Narration is correct, account may be wrong. So I will read the narration first and I will write the correct answer. Then I will find out whether what answer I wrote, whether Ishwar Lal has written or not. If Ishwar Lal has written, it's okay. If Ishwar Lal has not written, then what is the wrong Ishwar Lal has written, that we will write it. After that we will correct it. So first we will read the narration. Narration, which way I told you, that you follow it. I told that one, narration is correct, account may be wrong. So what we will do, by seeing the narrations, we will write the actual entry, original entry, then we will check it, what actually it is written, whether it is wrong or correct. If it is correct, then rectified entry will not pass. If it is wrong, we will pass the rectified entry. First one is coming that being the salary of current month of rupees 7,000 paid to Krishna, your journal is salary account debit to cash. This is your journal or amount of rupees 7,000. But you have not written this journal, you have written Krishna account debit, Krishna account debit to cash. That journal you do. Now you find out that what you should write and what you wrote. There cash account credit, there is no mistake. You have to credit to cash, but you have already credited to cash. But you have to debit to salary which you have not debited. So you write it salary account debit. So it is corrected, and Krishna account by mistake it was debited. Now make it a credit to Krishna account. So if you write this one, automatically you will find out combined of these two journals is this is Krishna debit and Krishna credit was cancelled. Left is salary account debit to cash, which I want. I think you are getting the things. What will do? You got extra things that you corrected. If you got in a debit form, make it a credit. If you got in a credit form, make it a debit. Automatically it will be cancelled. And the things which you did not get in the wrong answer, that you make it a correct. Salary account debit you did not get it here. So I wrote it here, salary account debit. Like that way, one by one, all I will explain. Now illustration 2, it is there, like the exercise question I want to read. Next is coming, being the goods of rupees 9500 sold to Clinton. Goods Clinton को sold किया, तो CLINTON Clinton account debit to sales. This is your journal. Clinton account debit to sales 9,000. Actual journal. But you what you wrote? Purchase account debit to Clinton. You wrote it here. Purchase account debit to Clinton. ये जर्नल आपको हो गया 9,500, 9,500. Now you see what most important things is there. You have to know the correct answer. If you do not know the correct answer, the rectified entry also will be wrong. तो now Clinton account debit मेरे को 9,500 चाहिए था, लेकिन गलती से क्रेडिट हो गया. तो मेरे को Clinton account debit 9,500 plus 9,500 equal to 19,000 मेरे को डेबिट करना है. If I debit 19,500 या क्रेडिट हो चुका था, तो ऑटोमेटिकली डेबिट क्रेडिट में 9,500 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये इसके साथ इसका तो पड़ा रहेगा 9,500 which I want. ओवर. सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट मेरे को चाहिए था, but I did not get sales account credit. So I will write it here to sales account. कितना 9,500. सेल्स इज ओवर. ये भी ओवर. क्रेडिट परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट मेरे को नहीं चाहिए था, वो गलती से आ गया, तो उसको भगा दो. तो परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट 9,500 जो आया वैल्यू क्रेडिट. देखो परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट हुआ, उसको क्रेडिट कर दिया, जीरो हो गया. सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट नहीं था, उसको लेके आ गया और क्रेडिट को ऑलरेडी करेक्ट कर दिया. दिस इज द वे which way I am telling you. That way, if you think and if you are able to do, it will be good for you. But once again I am telling you, if you think that directly you will be able to do the answer, you can do the answer directly also. Number 3, being the goods worth rupees 20,000 purchased at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So पहले let me calculate 20,000 goods, 10% TD 18,000 and 5% of 18,000 which comes 900, which is coming 17,100. These three amounts will come. Cost of the goods, discount, cash. You have purchased the goods. So your journal is purchase account debit to cash and to discount. Purchase account debit how much? 18,000. Cash how much? 17,100 and discount 900. This is your actual journal which you have not written. Once again I am telling you, this is your actual journal which you have not written. Purchase account debit, to cash to discount. But what you wrote? You wrote purchase account debit to cash. How much you wrote? 17,100. This journal you have found. Now look at the book. Purchase account debit 18,000 I want. Purchase account debit 17,100 I got. So still I did not get debit. Purchase account of rupees 900. Purchase account is over. Debit I want 18,000, but the debit I got 17,100. Still 900 I got less. So I make 900 debit once again. This two debit is called equal to this. It is over. Cash account debit 17,100 I want, which I already got. So there is no mistakes in the cash account. Discount account I should get credit 900, but here I did not get credit, so you get it to discount account credit of rupees 900. This is your RE, rectified. Like that way, one by one, you have to understand the correct answer, you have to understand the wrong answer, and you have to get the rectified answer. All of RE. Everything is easy if you understand. Next is number 4. Brokerage 16,000 paid for purchase of the machinery. Your journal is machinery account debit. Machinery account debit to cash. This is your journal. Actual. You don't write brokerage account debit. If you write brokerage account debit, it will be wrong. Actual journal is machinery account debit to cash. What happened? You wrote brokerage. Brokerage account debit to cash after debit. How much? 16,000. ये आपने लिखा. Now ये लिखा, नहीं लिखा. Write it. Machinery account debit 16,000. Machinery is over. कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो चुका. ब्रोकरेज अकाउंट डेबिट नहीं चाहिए तो डेबिट आ गया, तो उसको क्रेडिट कर दो. 16 हो गया. मिश्रा अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, ये दोनों में आ गया. ब्रोकरेज क्रेडिट डेबिट कैंसिल हो गया. मिश्रा अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश इज लेफ्ट, व्हिच आई ऑलरेडी गॉट इट. This is the system or to do like that way. If you are able to do, then you will be able to understand. Things are there. Rectification chapter is very interesting chapter. Of course, if you understand. Number 5 is over. No, not over. Number 5 is left. Being the amount 4,500 written off as bad debt in the last year, received in current year from करीना. जो बैड डेट लास्ट ईयर हो चुका था, वो बैड डेट का अमाउंट आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया, दैट अमाउंट यू गॉट इट. योर जर्नल इज कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैड डेट रिकवरी. ये जर्नल आपको जानना होना चाहिए. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैड डेट रिकवरी अकाउंट. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैड डेट रिकवरी. दिस इज योर करेक्ट जर्नल ऑफ रुपीज 4,500. ये एक्चुअल जर्नल. रॉन्ग हो जाना रोड पे. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू करीना. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू करीना अकाउंट हो गया रॉन्ग आंसर. नाउ जो एक्स्ट्रा है उसको भगा दो, जो नहीं आया उसको लेके आओ. देखो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 4,500 चाहिए, हो गया. बैड डेट रिकवरी अकाउंट क्रेडिट 4,500 चाहिए, नहीं आया. टू राइट दिया बैड डेट रिकवरी क्रेडिट. सो आई रोट इन द क्रेडिट. ये भी ओवर. और करीना अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो गया, जिसको नहीं चाहिए था तो डेबिट कर दो. ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट वन अकाउंट डेबिट एंड वन अकाउंट क्रेडिट. दिस इज जॉब. Combine of these two, Karina debit credit cancel, cash account debit to brokerage. Most easiest things is there if you have to know the correct journal. Once again I am telling you, if you do not know the correct journal, then it will be very difficult for you. Correct journal में आपको गलती आ गया. Suppose if you write wrong journal, then it will be wrong. Number 6. 6 is given. Amount 6,900 paid for Clinton for cash purchase. Being the amount 6,900 paid to not Clinton, to Chaitanya for cash purchase. Your journal is purchase account debit to cash. This is your journal 6900. Purchase goods for cash. Chaitanya का name will not come. हो गया चैतन्य अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. चैतन्य अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश ये हो गया 6900. होने दो. कैश क्रेडिट करेक्ट है. परचेस डेबिट नहीं आया. परचेस अकाउंट को डेबिट में लेके आ जाओ. 6,900 और चैतन्य को नहीं चाहिए था डेबिट में आया, उसको क्रेडिट कर दो. of 6,900. This is the system to do it. Once again I am telling you, you have to know the correct journal. If you do not know the correct journal, then rectified entry will create a problem for you. Correct journal आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए. 7. Being the amount 5,000 of income tax paid by check, आपको जानना रहता है ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. इनकम टैक्स पेड हाउ मच 5,000. इनकम टैक्स पेड इज नॉट इनकम टैक्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. चेक में पेमेंट हुआ. It is not income tax account debit to bank. If you write income tax account debit to bank, it will be wrong. It is generally income tax account debit to bank लिखो तो wrong होगा. आपको drawings account debit to bank लिखना है income tax account debit to bank. You wrote income tax account debit to bank. That you wrote. But amount you wrote correct. Now income tax debit में गलती से आ गया, उसको क्लिक करो. That is how much? 5,000. This is over. Bank debit, drawings debit was not there. Drawings account debit. तो आ गया. Drawings account debit to bank. 7 is over. Now 8. 8 is given. Change. You have taken a change from bank. If you have taken a change from bank, usually transactions. सपोज आपने 500 रुपीज नोट दिया और बैंक आपको 100 रुपया करके 5 नोट वापस किया. You have taken a change. So keep in mind, change is not a transactions. It is non-economic transactions. And if it is a non-economic transactions, it should not be recorded as a transactions. It is not a transactions. So we will not write. But गलती से कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक लिख दिया. तो ये कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक लिख दिया, आपने रिवर्स कर दो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. करेक्शन हो जाएगा. कैश को गलती से डेबिट हुआ, कैश को गलती से क्रेडिट कर दो. बैंक को गलती से क्रेडिट हुआ, बैंक को गलती से डेबिट कर दो. सो ओनली यू फर्स्ट इज नो एंट्री, मतलब ओरिजिनल एंट्री इज नो एंट्री. सेकंड रॉन्ग एंट्री इज कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक and rectified entry is bank account debit to cash. It is non-economic transaction or no entry should come. Number 9. Being the goods of rupees 1,800 returned by Puspa recorded in purchase return book. Returned by Puspa is not a purchase return. Returned by Puspa is a sales return. Being the goods of rupees 1,800 returned by Puspa is SR, मतलब sales return. So your journal is sales return account debit to Puspa account. How much? 1,800. This is your correct journal, which you have not written. But what you written? In place of sales return, you wrote the purchase return. You wrote Pushpa account debit to PR. ये आपने लिख दिया. purchase return is always credit, sales return is always debit. अभी जो एक्स्ट्रा आ गया that you cancel it, जो नहीं आया उसको लेके आओ. Sales return debit नहीं आया, write here sales return debit. होगा. पुष्पा क्रेडिट होना चाहिए, डेबिट हो गया तो पुष्पा का क्रेडिट करो. कितना? 1800 चाहिए और इसको कैंसिल करने के लिए 1800 मतलब 3600. दिस इज ओवर. परचेस रिटर्न गलती से आ गया क्रेडिट में, उसको डेबिट करो. इसको मेरे को नहीं चाहिए था. Combine of these two journals is this. So Pushpa debit 1800, Pushpa credit 1800 यहाँ से माइनस हो जाएगा तो 1800 हो जाएगा. परचेज रिटर्न गलती से डेबिट क्रेडिट में आ गया, उसको मैंने डेबिट कर दिया तो टैक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सेल्स रिटर्न क्रेडिट में नहीं आया, उसको मैंने सेल्स रिटर्न डेबिट में नहीं आया, उसको मैंने डेबिट में लिखा. And next, the last one. The last one it is given, the being the amount of 20,000 paid after deducting 10% discount for purchase of a furniture. Purchase of a furniture for personal use is not the furniture account debit. That you have to keep in mind. You have given money to whom? To the owner, or owner has taken the money from the business for buying the furniture. And when he had purchased the furniture, that time he got the discount. That discount is not the discount for the business. It is his own discount. उसने मेरा बिजनेस से कितना पैसा लिया, that is the thing. He has taken money from the business 20,000. So I write drawings account debit to cash. Number 10. Drawings account debit to cash account. ये मेरा एक्चुअल जर्नल है which is current. He has taken money from the business 20,000 and he has purchased a furniture of rupees 18,000 and he got a discount of rupees 2,000. But this discount is not for the business discount and this furniture is not for the business furniture. He has taken money from the business. I will think only that much and further I will write drawings account debit to cash. But it is written here, furniture account debit of rupees 20,000 to cash of rupees 18,000 and to discount of rupees 2,000. This is, it is written. Now what I will do? One by one I will do. Drawings account debit 20,000 इसमें नहीं है, तो लेके आओ. Drawings account debit of rupees 20,000. This is over. कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट 20,000 होना चाहिए, लेकिन कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट 18,000 हो चुका, तो कितना बाकी रह गया? 2,000. जो राइट किया तो कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट और रुपीज 2,000. देखो कैश क्रेडिट होना चाहिए 18, ऑलरेडी कैश क्रेडिट होना चाहिए 20, ऑलरेडी 18 क्रेडिट हो गया, तो कैश क्रेडिट है, चेक हो गया. अभी फर्नीचर डेबिट नहीं चाहिए था, फर्नीचर अकाउंट में तो डेबिट नहीं चाहिए था, गलती से डेबिट आ गया तो यहाँ तो क्रेडिट कर. कितना? अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ये भी करेक्शन हो गया. अभी डिस्काउंट अकाउंट क्रेडिट गलती से आ गया, मेरा को नहीं चाहिए था, तो यहाँ डिस्काउंट अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो गया, यहाँ डेबिट कर. ये भी करेक्शन है. अभी ये दोनों का कॉम्बाइन करना ये हो गया. जब ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट 20,000 आ गया, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट गलती से क्रेडिट हुआ था, यहाँ डेबिट कर दिया, कैंसिल हो गया. कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट 18,000 था, बट क्रेडिट 18,000 हुआ, तो 2,000 और भी क्रेडिट कर दिया, वही भी करेक्शन हो गया. फर्नीचर डेबिट एंड फर्नीचर क्रेडिट कैंसिल. Rectification chapter is most important and interesting chapter. Once again I am telling you, you pay attention for the correct journal. Journal आपको आएगा तो rectification entry आ जाएगा. Extra whatever things you are getting that you cancel it, and the things which you did not get you get it. Debit में गलती से आ गया तो debit कर दो, credit में गलती से आ गया तो debit कर दो. That is the things. Illustration 2 is the same like that. Question number 5 from exercise. So I have done the question number 5, and by seeing that one you do the illustration. 1 and 2 make practice. The same like the question number 4 and 5 also same. My video you don't watch once, at least 2 or 3 times you watch. First time if you watch 80 or 90% you will understand. Second time if you watch 95% you will understand. And third time if you watch 100% you will understand. Even though if you do have any doubt, कोई भी अगर आपको डाउट होगा, you mark it and you tell me, I will clear your doubt. Hope you are understanding. Okay, bye, all the best.